Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning, your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video makes part of the best strategy series. Yes, I will show you another strategy which I have found, which is used by Schema and without any kind of audio. And important, he writes in a text document, he found a good strategy, and I will show you this strategy. And let me show you this indicators settings. So we have once the MACD. Yes, I didn't test this strategy. Yes, that is this 24, 26, and 7, and that is the MACD setting. And then we have here, let me see, the moving averages, the SMA with 18 and red. Yes, that's okay. And then we have the SSMA, yes, here below, with 24 in green. So that are the settings. And then we switch the chart on the 5-second chart. And now I will show you how this strategy is working here. Oh no, we have here low volume market. Okay, he wrote in a text file that this strategy should not be used in ranging market. Yes, but I would say, how can you identify a ranging market if you are on the 5-second chart? Okay, maybe this is a ranging market here. So I will wait now. Okay, this looks good. I will enter into a put, but not now because the purchase time is wrong. I wait for the next candle. And on the next candle, I will enter into a put because this looks like a really nice momentum. Yes, a nice moment. So let's see, next candle will happen. This looks also like a head and shoulders pattern, yes. And I will do a put here because I'm sure that price will go down from this level. Yes, so let's see what's happening. If I'm right, I don't know. We will see what this looks like, but price action is telling me that price will go down from this level, and that's the reason why I'm entering here into a put. All my trades are not based on the indicator itself. Yes, I enter only if the indicator are in congruence with that what my price action skill is telling me. Yes, those things which I have explained in my ebook. So get this ebook, it's for free. You find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instrument. So get this ebook, it's for free. You find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So join the Facebook group, don't miss it. So you see that was in the money. Yes, nice pullback again. Yes, after this was a pullback. So, and we are still in a downtrend, and I will continue to do input here, yes, because this is telling me that price will go down, because I see here the momentum of the MACD is pointing to the 0 line, yes, and also the awesome oscillator here, which is integrated in the MACD, is further pointing down, and that's the reason why I entered into a put, because I understood that the downtrend will continue for at least 1 minute. Yes, so that looks really good too. Yes, and yes, this strategy is not looking so bad. Yes, if you know how to trade with price action, yes, you get a good understanding. So here we see now a support and resistance level, and I would like to do a call here. Yes, I would like to do a call here, but I have to wait for the next candle. Okay, that looks a little bit weird. So let me see, we are getting here to an extreme level. Let me see if there was yes, there was something. There was some support and resistance level so far away. I cannot enter now into a put or a call because I don't understand at the moment what's happening here. Yes, maybe we have 3 o'clock. Let me see if there will be some news. Yes, here economic activity in Mexico. And this has this effect. So okay, let me see. Yes, it looks like we are going up, but I have to wait now. Yes, I have to wait that we get here the next candle, and this will not cross this level here. Okay, it looks like we're getting up here, so I will enter into a call. Yes, MACD. Yes, okay, I will do a call now. I don't care about the next candle, yes, because the next candle will be opening now. But I understood from the double bottom here in the 5 second on the 5 second chart that price will continue to going up, and that's the reason why I entered into a call. Yes, so you see price is moving up to, yes, and MACD is pointing up. The awesome oscillator is pointing up. We got here really its extrema, yes, you know, that is like the middle Bollinger Band. Price is ranging around the EMAs, yes, and here we got a really extended move, yes, and that was the reason why I understood after I saw this mini double bottom here in the 5 second chart that price will go up, and I should enter below the neckline, because you see now how price is getting back, and often it gets back to this neckline again, and then you get this out of the money because of because it's out of the money by hair. Okay, so that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.